Yes, peeps, what go on? You know, so it's your boy Chef Blake in the place, and I'm telling you guys that I'm trying to bring you guys some update. No, I promised you guys to do some ribs the last time, but today, today was a big cooking day. I'm talking about a lot of food. Me have curry goat, me have jerk salmon, me have curry chicken, rice and peas and them thing there, and whole heap of other food. Like a matter of fact, for this video, I did some curry shrimp coconut rundown type of thing, which is came out really nice, alongside some rasta pasta. So this video right here is just filled with a lot of different food because I have to do some food cooking for some some of the people where they want to try out the food and thing because they've been watching the show and them like the food and really want basically taste the food and see what it's like. So they are some of them are my subscribers as well. So they're not so far from where I live. So I figure that it's time for me to give them what they have been requesting, and so far they give a lot of good feedback. I wish I could get some of them to put on camera so that you guys could actually hear from them, and hear their own perspective of how they think about the food. All I can tell you guys, an overwhelming amount of feedback I get from them in a positive way. They love the food, trust me. Even today, the food was just off the chain. So without no further ado, guys, I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you what I was doing today. Because it's kind of later now in the evening right now. I'm just gonna wrap up everything I did today and just give you guys a little update of what's going on. And like me say, see my tell us about the ribs is coming, trust me. Some outdoor cooking as well. We're gonna be doing some outdoor cooking, so stay tuned to the channel for them new update. They're gonna come very soon. So bless up on yourself, walk good, enjoy the video. You don't see it? Just go. Yeah. Solo escucha. Let me go see the highway. I don't speak your language, girl. Make it man. I don't speak your language, girl. Make it man. Tu sabes mi amor. La vida está sobrellevando. Mi corazón llorando. No puedes sentir amor. I don't speak your language, girl.
Guys, this is called curry shrimp coconut rundown. Curry shrimp coconut rundown. And over here we have the curry shrimp rasta pasta. The curry shrimp is coming up. We already done the pasta so far, so stay tuned for the searing of the curry shrimp.
Okay, peeps, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I show you the walkthrough of everything that I did today. Hope you guys enjoy what y'all see. Remember, guys, if you like the show, give me some thumbs up. Show your support. Remember to stick with the channel. Subscribe to the thing. Share the thing. Make your friends know about the thing. One person tell a friend tell a friend. So the thing work, make the dream work. Until next time, guys, walk good, be safe. Next video coming soon. Blessings.